Hello and welcome to In the Kitchen with Matt. I am your host, Matt Taylor. Today I'm going to show you how to make baked tuna patties. Oh yeah, these tuna patties are really simple to make, easy ingredients. If I can do it, you can do it. Before I move on, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on any of my new videos. Let's get baking. Down below in the description box, you'll find the list of the ingredients and their amounts. Begin with 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs, or if you are gluten intolerant or gluten free, you can use almond flour or almond meal. And now I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. And then just come in here with a fork or a little whisk, and let's whisk those together. I would make it first like this, and then afterwards when you make it again, you could adjust the salt and the pepper if you want, and the garlic powder. We'll set that aside. And then now I have 1 large egg here, and let's just whisk it up. And I have 1 tablespoon of water, and I just saved some water from the canned tuna. The canned tuna I'm using was packed in water, not oil. So you want to use the tuna that's packed in water. And then now we will add additional oil. This is 2 teaspoons of olive oil. I like to have control over the oil, so that's why I don't use the tuna in the oil. Just whisk that together a little bit. And then I have 2 teaspoons of yellow mustard. And you could use Dijon mustard as well. And we'll just keep whisking that together. And now I have 2 cans of the standard size cans here in the United States of tuna, the 5-ounce cans or the 141 gram cans. All right, so I put those in this large bowl, and now pour in that egg mixture, 1/4 cup of chopped parsley, and then we have that breadcrumbs dry mixture. Now let's just mix this all together. I'm just using a fork to do this. Okay, and then what I do is I just kind of pat it down a little bit, and then I just want to divide it into fourths. So I just eyeball it like this, or like that, just so I kind of know how much to dig out. And now this part, you just want to have clean hands when you do this, or you could wear gloves, and we want to form the patties and place them on a silicone mat lined sheet pan, or you could use parchment paper as well. And then so we will dig out that mixture and just put it in your hand, just like you would if you were making homemade burger patties. And just put it into a patty shape and put it on your pan there. Again, you can use gloves or just make sure your hands are washed. And you can shape them like this and then pat them down. Shape them like this. Pat them down. Exactly how I would do like a hamburger patty. All right, now that the patties are done, we will bake them in the oven, preheated oven, 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 Celsius. And we will bake them for 10 minutes and then flip them over and bake them for another 10 minutes. On to that step. And when they come out of the oven, they will look something like this, lightly browned on the top, and they'll look a little bit dry all over. And there you go. And also, if you want to cook these in a skillet with oil, you can do that as well instead. Baking it is healthier, but also a skillet version is great, and you just brown it You cook it for about 4 minutes per side on medium heat in the skillet. So you can do it that way as well if you like. And then we'll just let this cool for about 10 minutes and then you can eat them. And then now you could use this as you would a hamburger patty. I'm going to cut into it and show you what it looks like on the inside. And so there it is. It's just the inside of it. Pretty awesome. And that is how you make tuna patties. I really love hamburger and hamburger patties, but I also love tuna. So it's really nice to have something different once in a while. And you could eat them plain, just like this, or you can put them in place of a hamburger and have a tuna burger. Really easy to do. If I can do it, you can do it. I'm Matt Taylor. This has been another episode of In the Kitchen with Matt. Thank you for joining me. As always, if you have any questions, comments, or requests, put them down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thumbs up, down the corner, push it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Take care. Time for me to dive into this. Oh yeah. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm-mm.